Rahim, students, Assalamu alaikum. This is a session of grade 6 geography section. Here's Miss Lada, and students, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. So students, open your books. We started chapter number 2, weather and climate, and we also have done with the explanation and also question answers, okay, short question answers. And today we are starting question answer, okay, long question answers. Question number 1 of long question answer we have done. Now we start question number 2. How high would the rainfall in Cherrapunji reach in your school if it all stayed on the ground? Okay, so the answer is the rainfall in Cherrapunji was about 23 meters, enough to go over the tops of some buildings. Okay, so this is the question answers. Okay, long question answers. Write down date first, 11/8/20. Okay, you have to write down question 2. Then question number 3 is that, can you think of any other factor that might affect climate? Location. Answer is that location on the ice side of high ground, in the rain shadow. In the rain shadow, urban areas have higher temperature 1 till 3 degrees as compared to rural areas which have open spaces and more vegetation. Size of a place, a small island has a different climate as compared to a landmass. Okay. In question number 4, can you see how air pressure is linked to fine or rainy weather in different parts of the country? Answer is that part of the country showing low air pressure will also show stormy or wet weather, while high air pressure brings fine and dry weather. Question number 5 is that, what differences would you expect to find between in home dress and food of a family living in Gilgit and that of one in Singapore? Why is there such a difference in their lifestyle? Answer is that Gilgit is mountainous area, whereas Singapore is found in tropical area. Gilgit is backward area, while Singapore is developed country. In Gilgit, people wear warm clothes, and in Singapore, eat fast food. Houses in Gilgit are closed, while houses in Singapore are open. Okay. So students, you have to do this question answers in your copy. Then you have to write down the fill in the blanks. Okay. Write down dates today. Okay. Write down fill in the blanks. Heading of fill in the blanks. First one is, weather is the climate condition on any one dash day. Okay. Second is, climate is the average of weather condition over a whole year. Year is a blank. Okay. Here is a blank. Then climate decides what crops are grown there and how the people live. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Firstly, you have to write down the fill in the blanks. Okay. Then you have to write first fill in the blank. Weather is a climate condition on any one day. Second, climate is the average of weather condition over a whole year. And third one is, climate decides what crops are grown there and how the people live. Okay, students, you do this question answers in your geography copy. Okay, and you complete your work. Okay, this is your homework that you to complete your work. Okay, and inshallah I will match you soon. Okay, take care till then. Allah Hafiz all of you.